Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys how I pamper myself at home. So I'm gonna light up my favorite candle. I love lighting up candles because it smells heavenly, and then I'm going to go in with an eye mask and a face mask. These face masks are super luxurious, so I only reserve them and use them on days where I really want to pamper myself. So what I like to do is I like to first apply my eye mask underneath my eyes. Then I'll follow up with a face mask and apply it all over my face. This is how I like to multitask and target both the eyes as well as my face at the same time. So I'm using the leftover serum in the packet and just applying it all over my skin, not forgetting my neck as well because you don't want to waste it. Then while waiting for my mask to settle in, I'm gonna be painting my nails. I recently discovered this nail polish from Korea. It is easy to apply, but most importantly, since it's water-based, it's not harmful for the nails and skin. When I pamper myself, I try to avoid any harmful preservatives and chemicals and treat myself to all natural products instead. After all, our bodies deserve the best, right? And there we have it, baby pink nails! So I usually like to put on my face mask for a little bit longer as long as I feel that it's not too dry yet. And that's when I will put on my favorite Korean drama, play with ash a little bit, and wait for it to settle into my skin. So usually for my face mask, I like to leave it on for about 20 minutes or so before removing my face mask as well as my eye mask. And then, with clean hands, you want to massage the serum all into your skin as well as your neck. And trust me, this massage feels amazing! Now that I have my skin and nails settled, I always make it a point to treat myself to a bottle of Friend's Bird's Nest as well. We often neglect what we put in our bodies, which can affect our skin. That's why I try to do this step as often as possible. I personally like to have it cold, and I love Friend's Bird's Nest because it is yummy and it's also made up of 100% genuine bird's nest. And we all know bird's nests have really good benefits for our skin and our health. So yeah. That's my pamper routine. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was really short but really fun to film. So check out all the links in the description box below and I'll see you next time. Bye!